Something interesting has surfaced for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, and this time it's not another hands-on video or leaked spec sheet. What we're looking at now appears to be the retail packaging itself. Normally, seeing a product box before launch would be a pretty big deal, but in this case, we already know a lot. Chinese creators have been posting unboxing videos, menu walkthroughs, sample footage, and close-up shots of the camera for weeks, so almost everything printed on this box is something we've seen before. Still, it gives us an interesting look at what DJI considers the Pocket 4P's biggest selling points. One thing worth mentioning right away is that this doesn't appear to be the creator combo version. Based on the accessory list shown on the box, you get the Pocket 4P, a fill light, carrying pouch, threaded handle, wrist strap, and a USB-C cable. What's missing are the extras you'd typically associate with a creator combo, such as a wireless microphone transmitter, windscreen, mini tripod, or other creator-focused accessories. In fact, the contents look surprisingly basic, which strongly suggests this is the standard retail package. As for the features highlighted on the front, they're pretty straightforward. Dual cameras for shooting near and far, a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a claimed 17 stops of dynamic range, a portrait-friendly focal length, D-Log2 4K at 240 FPS in-camera live photo support, 103 gigabytes of internal storage, faster transfer speeds, 3-axis stabilization and active track support at up to 12 times zoom. If you've been following Pocket 4P leaks, none of that should come as a surprise. Several Chinese creators have already demonstrated many of these features on working devices. But after staring at the box for a while, what became interesting wasn't what DJI printed on it. It was what they didn't. For starters, there's absolutely no mention of a variable aperture. Multiple leaks have suggested that the Pocket 4P could introduce a variable aperture system, which would be a genuinely meaningful upgrade for creators. It would provide more control over exposure, greater flexibility in different lighting conditions, and potentially more creative control over depth of field. It's also exactly the kind of premium feature manufacturers usually love to advertise, yet there's not a single mention of it anywhere on the packaging. That doesn't completely rule it out, but if DJI had actually included variable aperture, you'd expect it to be front and center. At this point, I'm leaning toward the feature not making it into the final product. Then there's the telephoto camera, and this omission might be even more surprising. There's no mention of the sensor size, no megapixel count, no focal length, no optical zoom specification, nothing. That's noteworthy because the telephoto camera is arguably one of the biggest reasons people are excited about the Pocket 4P in the first place. Recently, there's been a lot of speculation about whether DJI is using a 33 megapixel sensor, a 37 megapixel sensor, or something entirely different. We've talked about portrait capabilities, zoom performance, and how much image quality could improve compared to previous generations. Yet DJI's own packaging simply says dual cameras and leaves it at that. Another thing missing is any mention of higher recording resolutions. The box proudly advertises 4K at 240 frames per second, but there's no mention of 6K or 8K recording anywhere. Maybe that's because the camera doesn't support those resolutions, or maybe DJI believes ultra-high frame rate recording is a stronger selling point than bigger resolution numbers. Either way, the absence stands out because resolution is usually one of the first specifications manufacturers put on the box, and honestly, that's what makes this packaging leak so interesting. Not because it confirms a bunch of features we already knew about, but because some of the most heavily discussed, rumored upgrades are nowhere to be found. Now, if there's a feature you think deserved a spot on the box but wasn't mentioned here, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.